Katie. How are you feeling?
I'm a bit good, but I'm still, like, a little bit nervous.
There's no need to be. There's no need to be. How did you hear about the Junior Eurovision then?
Well, I was, like, on Instagram, and I saw Lloyd Macy's Instagram, and he had it on his, like, recent post, and I clicked on it. I thought that it was going to be, like, good to have a go.
Are you a bit of a fan of Lloyd?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Hi. I love your outfit.
Thank you.
That is really cool. Yeah. And where are you from?
Swansea.
And what kind of pop singers, stars do you like to listen to?
I like Lady Gaga.
Oh,
That's the song I'm singing today.
Oh, right. Oh, wow. Okay. What song?
Shallow. Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Crash to the surface where they can hurt us. We're far from the shallow ground. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow.
That song is really hard, and you just took us on a journey through the beginning bit, and then all of a sudden your voice opened out.
You've got a very unique voice.
Thank
and
you.
you know your style, you know who you want to be,
Yeah.
which is amazing. Who's with you today?
My dad, just my dad.
Your dad. I think you'd be very proud. You should be proud of yourself.
Yeah.
Hey! Hi, Katie. You're amazing.
Yeah.
I was very, I tried not to embarrass you. I didn't cry.
Very proud father.
It's close.
Yeah.
Katie,
Wahanol, byddai'n cofio hi.
a bendant.
A dwi eisiau ei throws i.